Sorry. Pindot ko siya. Sorry, napindot ko siya. So what I'm having, say hello Isa. What I'm having, maganda yung skin ko talaga today. Maganda siya. May konting eyeliner pa ako hindi natanggal kagabi. Chris, ang ganda ng skin ko today. Thanks sa mga treatment ko. Parang wala akong makeup guys ah. Kailangan masipag talaga sa ID oh. What am I eating today? I'm eating salad. So it's tomatoes, arugula, cottage cheese, olive paste, eggplant. No eggplant rin. Cucumber and olive oil and salt.
Super sarap.
Ang ganda talaga yung skin ko today. Nag-mask ako kagabi. Super moisturize ako kasi galing ako sa plane. Parang pwede na ganito. Konting ano ng eyebrows. Iba talaga pag nasipag sa skin. Yes, I'm in Greece. I think I plan to come back with my family because it's really nice. Although, hindi pa masyadong advisable pumunta ng Santorini. So medyo pag okay na para I can come visit and see the ano. Pero ang ganda. Yesterday, we got to go around, went to the Acropolis. So kahit nag-work kami, kahit we got to sleep and stuff. Then we went to Plaka. Some touristy stuff. Mukha akong 15. Baka mukhang 9 years old na. Wala ba ako mag-makeup? Pero mukhang skin ko talaga today. Kaya alam, the thing is, it's the sun. It's so strong. So sometimes I have to put sunblock. I have to do that. And once you put sunblock, parang nagkakaroon ng mukhang may makeup ka. And then, but I didn't put, maybe I shouldn't put blush on. I will experiment later. Basically, kaya minsan nagmumukhang makapal yung ano, or mukhang foundation kasi of the sunblock. Because I'm so afraid of the sun. But, pagkalang araw, yun. So, last night, I put the mask. And then, I put my eye cream. Then, I use, you know the toner from Luxel, the one with, I promoted that before. I do that religiously. So it's like, it has gold in the toner. So I put it all over. Parang yun yung parang panghilamos ko. I let it dry. So this is, it gets that like shiny glow. After that, sorry naman. I do first, I did my face mask. Rinse face mask. Remove. Eyes. Luxel toner. To give that parang first. After that, I put my serum. I'm not joking. I really do put Pond's Age Miracle. No joke. I put that on my hands as well. And then after that, I put this PDRN. Like, parang it's like a... They have it in Ivy and they have it in Korea as well. So I do that. And then, yun. Natulog ako. Nagdasal. Nagdasal. Pagising ko. Yun yung skin ko. Pero malaking tulong talaga pag nagtutoner ka and stuff like that. Toner, serum, PDRM. And then, sometimes after all of that, I'll let it like sit. I'll even go for a heavier cream. and leave it like a mask, especially on my neck. Well, that's what I did. Pero, feeling ko dahil nakatulog din talaga ako, kaya ganyan yung skin. Then you're not used to seeing me without makeup. So, baka nabibigla rin kayo. So, dati na ganyan yung skin ko. Toner. This is the toner. It's from Luxup. In fact, in fairness to me, ako talagang nag-concoction yan. It's actually for my skincare. Hindi ko siya masyado pinapromote. It's Luxel. We have it in Watsons. Hindi ko siya masyado pinapromote. Kasi parang happy na ako sa kanya. Kasi maganda na yung product. So, ipopromote ko na siya pag mga 40 plus na ako. Kasi parang happy na siya. Meaning to say, in short, malakas siya. Lalo na yung sunblock namin and yung toner. Hindi ko na siya kailangan i-promote. Kaya relax lang ako sa kanya. And then minsan, meron akong, natatakot lang ako dahil sa akin siya. Paano kung baka hindi mag-work dahil sa akin siya. Pero nag-work siya, but hindi ko lang siya masyado promote. That toner though, I can't live without. It's in Luxel. I mean, it's in Watsons. They also have it in SM Beauty. Anyway, guys. Hi, Daryl. Nabayaran na ba natin si Daryl?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful tonight. Sarap. Okay. What do you mean, anong tawag dyan? Today is the fashion show. So, we're gonna, after this, maliligo na ako. Hindi pa ako naliligo. Too much information. Hindi pa ako naliligo, pero yung breakfast, importante. I'm gonna have to finish my breakfast because after this, relax muna ako. I do my glam. Then show is already, we leave here at 12 noon. So, thank you so much. Daily reminder, iwasan po ang Van Cleef. Guys, siyang umiiwas sa akin. Hayop siya. Walang Van Cleef. The whole time, nagtitiis-tiis ako sa mga iba kong pinuntahan. Kala ko dito na ako makaka-jackpot. Walang Van Cleef. Kahit saan sa Greece. So, it's not...
Pinapapunta kang Turkey, dear.
Pinapapunta pa akong Turkey. Okay. I'm going to go para ma-enjoy ko na yung breakfast ko. Kakaroon kami ng mga alone time ni Iza. Because the view is viewing. Luxel Fountain of Youth Toner. Ganun siya kalaki. Madami siya. So, sulit. Okay. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Ingat kayo dyan. Bye. Miss you. Wow, kala mo asawa sa. Miss you. Love you, babe. Ingat ka. Text mo ako pag nauwi ka. With picture. Hayop ka. Bye. Love you. Bye.